Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and I want to show you how to find your way to a meeting room. That's right, today we're unboxing ATEN's room booking system. This is a solution that combines an RBS panel, the RBS configurator, and an info player. First thing you gotta do is install one of these RBS panels to each meeting room. Then use the configurator software to sync with your calendar server, like Microsoft 365, Exchange, or Google Workspace. Next, let me show you how easy it is to book a room. Just one tap on Quick Booking. It's as simple as that. If it's green, the room is available. If it's red, the room is in use. When your room is reserved, tap on Check-in to start your meeting. If you need more time, tap on Extend to continue. If your meeting ends early, tap on Checkout to finish your session. The secure room booking option allows you to limit access with either a PIN code or an access card. Now that you have your meeting room booked, is there a way for people to find out where it is? Of course there is, and that's where the VR610 info player comes into play. With dual CPUs under the hood, this powerful info player serves as a hub for real-time room updates, wayfinding, and up to 4K multimedia content. Setup is easy. Just plug and play with any HDMI display, whether in portrait or landscape mode. You can check room availability from a list, or switch to a map view to navigate your way. You can also book a room with a quick tap, just like on the RBS panel. But the VR610 is not just for wayfinding or room booking. You can also display announcements, web pages, and even any video content. This can all be preset through the RBS configurator. When there's no one directly interacting with the info player, it will switch to Spotlight view and showcase all your preset content. Finally, all the info players and RBS panels can be centrally managed via ATEN's Unizon, a global AV management platform that lets you monitor each unit in real time. So that's all from me today. If you want to know more about our room booking system, click on the link or contact one of our ATEN experts. I'm Daniel. See you next time.